What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to find out the Laplace transform of a piecewise function. Here we have a piecewise function t 0, like t is between 0 and 4, and then t is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, these are the two conditions we have. Usually whenever we try to find out the Laplace transform, this is the generic equation we use. Laplace transform of a function is equivalent to integration go from 0 to infinity e power negative st f of t dt. Now in this case what we have to do is we have to just, based on the piecewise function, we have to set the limit. That's the only thing. So for this one it's going to be like this: Laplace transform of f of t. So since we have two parts, we have to write two integrals. Both of them are going to add each other. First one, the limits going from 0 to 4 e power negative st, and here we have the function is t, so I put the t right here, dt, plus then it's go from 4 and above, it means 4 to infinity e power negative st, and the function is 4 dt. Okay, so here we have e power negative st and t. For this one we have to do the integration by parts. And for this one, since we have improper, this is easy integration, but since we have improper integral, we have to do the improper integral method. And that's how we do the integration, find the Laplace for this one. And also I'm going to create more videos on how to find out the Laplace transform of derivatives, like first derivative, second derivative, and all the other things. So you can go ahead and check it in my channel. And if you are trying to learn differential equations, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.